What's up, guys? Out here trying to get this oil checked so I can go out there and do me a good old test hit and get right. Uh-oh. Looks like trouble's coming. I don't even like that guy. God, here he comes. Your shoes is busted. What about my shoes? What about my shoes? Your shoes is busted. Oh, cause you got on Jordans? You think you cool cause you got on Jordans? Yeah. Okay. All right, man. Well, can I get to work? Can I get to work? Cause I'm trying to do a video. Can I get to work? All right then. All right. I'm done. All right. Bye. You can get back to work. All right. I guess I finished working on my car. Man. Maybe you'll get something fixed. Can you believe the nerves of that guy? Like, comment, subscribe to Don't Worry I'm More Than Junior Green, starring me, Junior Green. If you like the little duet act, let me know in the comments. Alright, till next time. Peace.
Junior Green, don't worry, I am on it. Hit that like for me, hit the subscribe for me, hit that bell for me, yeah. I feel the turbo in every gear, stock car, what's that? Get them things up out of here, loud in my car, all I hear is motor and turbo. In my videos, leave you, yeah, one more. Eat you up in the streets, yeah, like gumbo. Sit back in your seat, cause it's time for me to rumble. No, I don't crumble. No, I don't stumble. Sit back in your seat and watch me rumble. It's showtime.